taste test, taste test, taste test, taste test, taste test, taste test, taste test. Oh, taste test video. Alright, look at this bag, yo. You know what I got today? It's not a sub. No, it's not a sub. What you think is in this bag? Can you tell me that? You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, let's see what's inside, shall we? I'm gonna try this first. I'm gonna try this. It's Sterry lemon lime flavored soda. Yeah. I'm gonna open it up. Y'all gonna hear this fizz real quick. Hold up. Let me see. You wanna hear it? Hold up. Oh yeah. Y'all heard that. Y'all heard that first. And it's still cold. It's cold in here. This is my first time tasting it, so it's gonna be a taste test video. It's not gonna be long. Oh my goodness, it tastes alright. It's not that bad. But the aftertaste, But I guess you gotta eat it with food, pretty much, and then be all gravy. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna drink the other drink later on when I eat my food. I just want to do like that one taste test video, and I give this drink like maybe like a 8 to a 9. Tastes alright, you know. But I'm about to get off here, and I'm gonna drink the soda with something I want to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna eat something. I'm eating something right now. I'm out. Sterry, lemon, lime, sterry, lemon, lime, sterry, lemon, lime, lemon, lime, sterry, lemon, lime, sterry, lemon, lime.